My name is Gavin Smith, and I am a freshman instrumental music ed major on string bass. I attended summer music camps for 2 years. The first one was going into my freshman year of high school. The second one was going into my senior year of high school. My favorite camp memory, let's see. I would honestly have to say that first audition. It was my first audition, and I was scared so bad, but I did it, and I was really proud of myself for doing it. The bass sectionals led in the summer music camps were ran by some amazing staff, and they would help me work on the music and just work on rep and personal skill technique stuff that I needed to work up in order to audition for the College of Music. So the first time I went just because I wanted to go to a camp. I like music. I wanted to go to a summer camp. Boom, it's right there. It's in the name. The second time I was really thinking about going to FSU, so I went with the idea in the back of my mind, okay, this might be my home for the next 4 years. The camp experience honestly embodies the whole community vibe of the College of Music. And that's honestly what brought me here. And you just get that through the camp. Camps honestly really helped me decide. The first time was just kind of a fun hurrah summer camp thing. And then it was really that second summer camp that I was like, okay, I need to be a music major.